YouTube family. We're just sitting on the floor relaxing as one does. This is going to be my first ever reaction video. I know I did an album analysis video, but that's not quite the same thing. This is my first ever reaction video for this channel. I'm very excited about it. It is for a band called Forge the Sun, which I actually discovered them through Instagram. There's a lot of good bands just this year so far that I've discovered through Instagram. I actually plan on making a whole video about just that, but we're gonna start here because these individuals are special. Very nice people. They are from Detroit, Michigan, and they are a progressive rock band that does covers, but they also have their own songs. I have been purposefully not listening to too much of their music, to be honest. I've been watching their reels and checking out their Instagram and all that, but I wanted to give like a clean, organic reaction to one of their songs here. And this song is called Nature. And there's like some beautiful artwork here. I don't know who is responsible for this artwork, but it is pretty dope. I dig it. And without further ado, this is like the most messy, like just stripped to the bolts life background here. So sorry about that. I'm about to replace it with a nice view of said artwork that I've mentioned. And we're going to take a listen to the song, and you're going to get my true thoughts on it the whole way through. So let go. I'm liking it a lot. I'm loving that we haven't quite gotten to the vocals yet. We're building some we built some anticipation, and now we get some angelic ass vocals. Ooh, it's got some gent. It's got like, dare I say, like some math rock with like the riffs. But something about it sounds very nostalgic too, like the metal I would have listened to in middle school. Ooh. 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 Very nice. Very Christina Scabbia. Scabbia? You know the one. Don't clock me if I said her last name wrong. Ooh. Okay. I love this, like, so far. I think we're, like, halfway through this. Oh, we're not even halfway through the song. I love that. I love a song that is just like watching a movie, but a song. And then it completely changes. I like that. Their vocalist is so lavish and on point. I love all that stuff that's going on with the instruments behind her voice. like a completely new song. But it's the same song. Her vocal range is like ball busting. Now we're coming back to a familiar part of the song. Because it's like, this started off as one song, and now it's like it's a completely different song, which I like. It's very the Contortionist vibes, like the guitars here. Okay, our drummer is the star for this part. I love all of that. Okay, so this is very much like if Lacuna Coil and the Contortionist had a baby, possibly with a pinch of like Kitty slash like metal from like when I was 12 and 13 years old, which is an absolute compliment. And like I mentioned as I was listening, it's like Djent meets like your good old classic metal meets like math rock, like music that like when you think you've got it, you think you're on that beat and you're like, okay, and then all of a sudden it switches up on you, and I love that. And I love the length of the song too, and I love like the differences in the way the song is in different like timestamps. You get what I'm saying? You mean what I know? You picking up what I'm putting down here? And for those of you who have already watched my album analysis video for Dexcore, you know I freaking love a song that reminds me of like a play. Like there's different acts, and the scenery changes and the actors change, and you know all of that, and yada yada yada. And this song definitely has elements of that, and I really like that. I really enjoy this band, and honestly I can already think of like 4 friends who I could show this song to and they would be obsessed. Like my Tesseract and Contortionist loving friends, and like my math rock loving friends, and like my progressive rock loving friends would love this. And also like my friends who listened to him and Kitty and Cradle of Filth and Lacuna Coil with me when I was in middle school and high school would like this too. So this is really good. I'm really glad I waited to listen to this. Like, holy crap, I need to hear more original songs from you. Like, please. Also, like, I'm just saying, if you plan on touring this year, if you come near like Washington D.C., Southern Maryland area, I will be there to cheer you on. Hopefully something about that is enticing, because I will be waiting for you. Give this band a follow. I will link their Instagram and all that good stuff in the description so that you guys can show them lots of love and support. Let them know I sent you. And like I said, they do covers too, and their vocalist is just absolutely incredible. I love the sound of her voice. As you could hear yourself, she's pretty goddamn talented. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend to a friend, would eat here again. Well, thank you guys for watching this little quick review of this song by Forge the Sun, and I will see you guys in the next one.